Did you know that one pharaoh tried to change Egypt's entire religion overnight and almost destroyed the kingdom? In 1400 BC, Akhenaten became pharaoh and shocked everyone. He threw out thousands of gods that Egyptians had worshipped for centuries. Instead, he said there was only one god, the sun disk called Aten. He moved the capital city, changed art styles, and even made priests jobless. His wife Nefertiti helped him, but the people hated these changes. Temples closed down, trade stopped. Other countries saw Egypt as weak and attacked. The army struggled without the old gods to protect them. Workers went on strike. Even Akhenaten's own family turned against him. When he died, his son Tutankhamun became pharaoh at just 9 years old. The boy king quickly brought back all the old gods. He moved the capital back and fixed the temples. Workers celebrated in the streets. But the damage was done. Egypt had lost its power and never fully recovered. One man's religious vision nearly ended a civilization that had lasted for thousands of years.